How to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you logged into your account with your credentials. Now open a particular video or you can tap search icon at top right to access your video which you want to download. So you can scroll down lightly and let's open a particular video. Now here you will see the option to download. You can easily tap on download button. And now the video has been downloading. To view, you can tap view at bottom right. And as you can see that depending on your internet connection, the video has been downloading. Make sure you have enough space on your device in order to save your downloaded videos. Once it's downloaded, you can easily view it during offline as well. So that is how we successfully download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.